Okay, so we're on our next strategy, onto our next strategy. This is breaking apart the addends to find the sum. This is just basically breaking addends into tens and ones and adding the tens and ones and finding the total sum. So there is an extra cloud over here, and this is for if the ones ends up being a larger number that you need to break it down into, and this cloud is only if it's needed. It doesn't have to be used, but it's there if you need it. So we're gonna start. This is basically breaking it down into the place value, expanding the number out. We've used that term before. We've used that term since the beginning of the year. Expand the number like a rubber band. So we're gonna expand 35 out into tens and ones. So 35 becomes 30 plus 5. Sorry, it may have gotten blurry. And then we have 54 becomes 50 plus 4. And then we just add it up. So we have 5 plus 4 is 9. And then we have 30 plus 50 is 80. And then we add 80 plus 9, which we've been doing with place value also since the beginning of the year, is 89. And we didn't need the cloud because 5 plus 4 is not a larger number that we had to worry about. So now we have 43, so we're going to expand that out. 40 plus 3, and 20 plus 9 is 20. 29 is 20 plus 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. And 20 plus 40 is 60. And this is where you can use your cloud over here. So 12 breaks down into 10 plus 2. And then you have another 10. So that would be, so if you had 12 plus 60, you would have 60 plus 10 would equal to 70 plus 2, which is 72. And that's, I lost you on the, sorry, over there. So you have 70 plus 2. And that's what the cloud's for, is if you have a larger number, you can break it down into what the 12 is 10 plus 2, and that would make adding the 10 to 60 and then adding the 2. So that is basically, we can do one more. We have 50 plus 6 and 30 plus 8. So that leaves us with 80 plus 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. So again, we're left with 80 plus 14. And 14 will break down into 10 plus 4. Okay, so that leaves us with 80 plus 10, which is 90 plus, and we have to bring down the 4, plus 4, which equals 94. And that's our final answer.